I just want to make a correction, guys, because as I tested this last time, like yesterday, I learned that this is not a 2-channel. I think this is just mark here 2CH. I don't know what it stands for, but as I tested this yesterday, I proved that this RC helicopter is I think 3.5 channel, because it has of course up and down. That's the first channel, and then the yaw left right, that's the second channel, and then the forward and backward. So that's a 3-channel all in all. So I believe this is a 3-channel RC helicopter. Very nice RC helicopter, very stable, guys. Like because I tested this yesterday. So that was just the initial test. So this is the full test now today. So the weather is very fine, calm. So I wanna go ahead and test this for the second time. I'm started to love this RC helicopter because this is very stable, guys, and very easy to control. Although I'm having acclimatization because I am not used to flying like because I don't know if this is a mode 2, because the yaw is here at the right stick, while in a regular normal 4-channel the yaw is here, up down is here, but here this is the yaw, and then forward and backward. So yeah, I think this is a 3-channel because this is up and down, then yaw, left right, then this is the forward and backward. Yeah, 3-channel, guys. All right, so another flight. Turn on, I want to turn on the remote control first, then this one, the RC helicopter. I've charged this again last night, fully charged. So the charging time is taking around like 2 hours, give or take, right? So I think to bind this up and down. Oh yeah, but there was no binding sound. There is no binding sound, so you just have to rely on the lights. If the lights are no longer flashing, then it's bind already or bound. Right, without further ado, so I wanna retest this. Right, very nice RC helicopter, very nice. I love it because it's easy to fly and very stable. And this is for me, it's a very new design. Although it's an old RC helicopter, but this is my first time to have this kind of a RC helicopter. Coaxial and Chinook 2 motors, 2 propeller, 2 blades, 2 motors, right? So I want to try this one again. Yeah, here I think there's no high rate and low rate, or I don't know, because when you bind it there is no binding sound. So maybe second rate or the highest rate. There's also a high rate in my opinion, but there's just no sound, like 2 beeps like that. Anyway, let's go. Right, twice. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, sweet. Okay, don't go far. Come on. It's getting too... It's fast. I hear the... Uy. I hear the propeller is hitting each other. Why? Don't. Come on. Everything. Shut down everything. Right. Yesterday you are a gentle flyer, but right now you are already fighting. You are fighting. I don't know. There's no wind at all. so it's very calm. Okay. What's happened? What's wrong? Right. All right. Huh? Ah. Yeah, now you're mabait na. Yeah, I think there's a high rate and low rate, but it's just it has just no sound, so you will never know if you're already in a high rate, because I notice it's very reactive na. After I touch this button, it's already reactive. It's you see, it's so reactive and aggressive. Okay, back to first rate. Very reactive. Very reactive in the second rate. Yeah, you can use the second rate to fight the wind. More power. Okay, back to first rate or the low rate. Now it's very soft. Mabait siya. I think I was in a high rate nung soft crash to. Very gentle flyer in a first rate. Okay, to turn off the light, I think you have to long press this. You have to long press this button. One and long press. Okay, and the lights are gone, so no more lights. You just have to long press this button, and to go back, long press again. Then there you go, lights are back. Okay, long press is when you turn on and off the light, and when you short press this button, it's gonna be high rate and low rate switch. Okay. Very nice. Yun nga, nasa high rate ako kanina, that's why it's a bit hard to control. It's a bit aggressive. May kind of overshooting na nangyari, but right now it's very nice not to fly. Even there's a bit of wind in a low rate, still the aircraft fights the wind. Very nice.